So the most important thing, let's talk about the salary. Hello guys, in this video we're gonna discuss about TCS recruitment process 2020. Make sure you watch the full video to get the maximum benefit. Hello everyone, so let's start our video on TCS hiring process 2020. So it was founded in 1968, that is 52 years ago. The employee strength is 4,48,464 and it is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The current chairman is Natarajan Chandrasekharan and MD and CEO is Gopinathan. These questions are usually asked in interview process. So talking about the eligibility criteria, you should be having minimum 60% throughout the degree as well as in 10th and 12th. There should be no backlogs while you are joining the TCS. Only one backlog is allowed while you are applying when you are in the final year. The gap in study should not extend 2 years. That means only 2 years of gap is allowed. More than 2 years will be making you as ineligible. So applicant with more than 3 years of work experience are also not applicable for this job, as this is a fresher job and they are not demanding experience more than 3 years. So the written test pattern includes quantitative aptitude, verbal English, CMCQ or programming logic or efficiencies, where usually MCQs based on C or Java are being asked. And the coding test pattern includes one programming language. And this complete process is known as TCS Ninja Hiring. So in the English part, you will be having few of the MCQs as well as the email writing test pattern. This is the test pattern and the number of questions and duration has been described very clearly. For English, you have 10 number of questions and duration is 10 minutes. For aptitude, you are having 20 number of questions and duration is 40 minutes. For programming logic or MCQs, you are having 10 questions and the duration of time is 20 minutes. And for coding part, you should be having only one question that is based on data structure or algorithm and the duration is 20 minutes. So let's talk about the interview process. Once you clear the written exam, then only you are eligible to appear for the interview. So you should be having interview panel. 3 interview panels are there. First one is technical round. So once you clear the technical round, then only you are proceeded with HR or managerial round. This HR and managerial round can happen at the same time simultaneously, or they can happen at different level. So in the technical part, they will be asking you about your academics part, your programming language, what do you know about programming language, and in HR and managerial round, they will be giving you certain conditions that you have to answer, as well as why do you want to join TCS and what motivates you to join this field. So post selection, if you are selected, then you will be receiving the offer letter along with various mandatory things that you need to make, and after that you will be receiving an email offer letter after 2 weeks and before 4 weeks. So this is the time period in which you will be receiving your offer letter. So post receiving the offer letter, you have to complete certain formalities, like you should be having an affidavit, you should be having passport ready, you should do your background check, NSR and etc. So the most important thing, let's talk about the salary. So if you are a BE BTech graduate and you are applying for this drive, then your package will be 3.36 lakhs per annum. And if you are a master's holder like MTech and MSc, you will be having a package as 3.5 lakh per annum. So approximately the salary that you will be getting for BE BTech is 24,000 and the salary for ME MTech is 26,000 as well as for MSc. So this is a good start if you are from tier 3 college, and this is a very good opportunity as they usually hire the candidates in bulk amount. So that's all for today's techies, and I hope you are liking these kind of videos and this will definitely help you, and please do share this video with your friends so that maximum people will be getting benefited. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.